In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Fonts. This invaluable resource is a treasure trove for designers, developers, and anyone else in need of diverse, high-quality typefaces for their digital projects. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the seamless process of selecting, downloading, and installing a font from Google Fonts, ensuring your next creative endeavor boasts both beauty and uniqueness. To embark on this journey, the first step is to navigate to the Google Fonts selection page. Here you're greeted by an expansive library of fonts, each with its unique characteristics and flair, ready to be incorporated into your work. From serif to sans serif, handwritten to display, the variety is truly impressive. Once you've landed on this treasure trove of typography, the next and possibly the most enjoyable part of the process is choosing your font. Browsing through Google Fonts, you might feel like a kid in a candy store. Take your time. Experiment with different options for your project. Whether you're looking for something classic and understated or bold and attention-grabbing, Google Fonts has something for every taste and requirement. The website interface allows you to type in your own text, providing a preview of how the fonts will look in action, which can be incredibly helpful in making your decision. After you've selected the perfect font for your project, the next action is simple but crucial. Look for the Get Font button associated with your chosen font. This button is your gateway to incorporating this particular piece of typography into your project. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with different options for using the font, including the ability to download it directly to your computer. Speaking of downloading, the next step involves a small icon that might go unnoticed if you're not looking for it, the download icon. Clicking this will initiate the download of a zip file containing the font files. It's a quick process, but an essential one, as it transitions the font from being an abstract choice on a website to a tangible tool in your creative arsenal. Once the download is complete, you'll find the zip file likely in your computer's Downloads folder. Opening this zip file reveals its contents, but they're not quite ready for use yet. You'll need to extract these files from their compressed state. Most operating systems make this a straightforward process, often requiring nothing more than a right click on the zip file and selecting an option like Extract All or Unzip. Follow the prompts and soon you'll have a folder filled with your font files ready for the final step. That final step? Installing the font onto your computer. This process can vary slightly depending on your operating system, but it generally involves opening the font file, typically with a TTF or .otf extension, and clicking an Install button. In moments, the font transitions from being a file on your computer to an integrated part of your system's font library, accessible from various applications, from word processors to design software. A couple of additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Keep an eye on the licensing details for each font. Google Fonts are free for commercial and personal use, but it's always good to be informed about the specifics. Also, once the font is installed, remember it's not just for one project. Now that it's part of your system, feel free to use it whenever the right project comes along. By following these steps, you've not only enriched your project, but also your overall design toolkit. Google Fonts offers an endless world of typographic possibilities, and you're now equipped to explore it with confidence. Whether you're creating a website, a presentation, or anything else that requires text, you now have access to a vast array of stylish fonts to elevate your work. I hope this guide has illuminated the straightforward yet impactful process of using Google Fonts. Remember, the right font can significantly influence the perception and effectiveness of your creative endeavors, so don't underestimate the power of typography in your projects. Happy font hunting!